Good morning, student. Once again, we are here in the online session started by School of Scholar Malkapur. Student, we are discussing the first chapter of Standard 8, that is a rational number. Yesterday, student, I had shared with you one class test and I told you to solve it based on the properties we have learned till now. Many questions I have shared with you. Now student, today I am going to share with you an answer key of it, the brief solution of each and every question. Student, you verify your answers with it and give the marking as according to it, and you maintain your class test, take your parent signatures over there, get it verified from them. You can tally your answer with this answer key. So student, here we will start with the answers of each and every question. From the beginning we will discuss. So here first question was there, find the absolute values of the given rational number. First is there minus vertical bar minus 3 by 9, and B question was there in vertical bar minus 5 by 11. So the first absolute value is minus in vertical bar minus 3 by 9. So before the vertical bar minus sign is there, so hence as if we will consider this much only, then the absolute value will be positive, but before the vertical bar minus sign is there, so our answer will be minus 3 by 9. So and then B's absolute value will be in vertical bar minus 5 by 11, then the absolute value of negative, that is also positive, 5 by 11. Here before the vertical bar negative sign is not there, positive sign is there, that's why here the absolute value is positive. Second question was there, student, represent the rational numbers on the number line. So here our first rational number was there minus 2 by 7. So we are going to represent it on the number line. So as it is negative, so it should lie into the left hand side of 0. 0 is here in the LHS of 0 here. So it is a proper rational number, and as I told you, proper rational number always lie between 0 and 1. So here 0 and minus 1 is the limit of it, and now I am going to make this 7 equal part of this 0 and minus 1. I have made here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 equal part, and second number part 1 and 2. This second number part will represent our corresponding rational number. It is a process. Second one was there positive 2 and 3 by 5. So as it is a positive rational number, it will lie into the RHS of 0. So here it is 0 and in RHS side, but it is 2 and 3 by 5. 2 here complete number, so it will, this rational number should lie in between 2 and 3. It is a limit 2 and 3. So here it will lie in between 2 and 3. So in RHS of 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and every equal part, this part will consist 5 sub equal parts. So here 2 and 3 also will consist 5 equal part, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our third number part will represent our corresponding rational number, that is 2 and 3 by 8. It is a process, student. Next, student, you were asked question number 3rd, find the additive, inverse and reciprocal of following rational numbers. So first rational number was 5 by minus 59. Second rational number was negative 5. So student, here additive inverse means we have to change the sign of the rational number. So additive inverse of positive negative 5 by 59 will be positive 5 by 59. And the reciprocal of 5 by 59, student, as I told you, reciprocal means alter the rational number. Denominator goes at numerator and numerator goes at denominator. So here, and no need to change the sign. You are not supposed to change the sign in a reciprocal. So then reciprocal of 5 by 59 is minus 59 by 5. And one more thing, student, here most of the students are getting confusion where to give this negative sign. Student, you can give this negative sign to the numerator, to the denominator, or you can keep it at the center also, no matter. It doesn't mean here 59 is negative and 5 is positive. Here it means whole rational number is negative, isn't it? Next student, additive inverse of minus 5. As the additive inverse says, change the sign, is 5, and reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 5, because 5 by 1 reciprocal will be here. Reciprocal of minus 5 is here we can keep it minus 5 by 1, and we will show it in a reciprocal form 1 by minus 5. It is a reciprocal of minus 5. Okay, here because we have converted minus 5 in a rational form p by q, and then I altered it 1 by minus 5. Okay, like this student. Then next question was there, find any two rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 7 by 9. So here same process, negative rational number is smaller than the positive rational number. Then by method second, here I have mentioned which method I am using, LCM of 4 and 9. If you are using first method, then also you indicate first method, that is a plus b by 2. So here minus 3 by 4, LCM of 4 and 9 is 36. Then equivalent of minus 3 by 4 is minus 27 by 36, and equivalent of 7 by 9 is 28 by 36. Then I have kept here like this. Then minus 26 by 36, minus 25 by 36 are the rational number in between these two, and that are in between these two. Like this student you can solve. Question number 5, evaluate the following. So evaluate the following. First, here two separate vertical bars are given, so it is expected to find the absolute value of each first and then evaluate. Then the absolute value of minus 6 by 13, that will be positive 6 by 13, multiply by absolute value of this minus 39 by 15 will be positive 39 by 15. Now here multiplication of two rational numbers, I have here applied cross division, that is 13 and 39, means 13 1s are 13, 13 3s are 39. Here 6 and 15 can be simplified by dividing both the number by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Here cross division and simplification we all can do. So here 2 3s are, what remains at the numerator place, 2 and 3, 2 3s are 6 and 1 5s are 5. Like this student, 6 by 5 is a solution of it. Second one is there, minus vertical bar, in vertical bar minus 5 by 7 multiply by 14 by 15. So here one vertical bar is there only. So first, and in between vertical bar operations is given. So first evaluate inside only the vertical bar, and then find out at the end the absolute value of it. So in the vertical bar I will keep this operation as it is, and I will simplify in a vertical bar only till the end. So here in vertical bar, this 5 by 7 will be as it is, minus 5 by 7, and multiply by 14 by 15. Then I have simplified, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, means I have simplified. And here 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Then at last minus 1 multiply by 2 at the numerator place, and 1 multiply by 3 at the denominator place. So before the vertical bar minus n as it is, in between vertical bar what will be there, 2 1s are 2, minus 2 by 3. And then at last the absolute value of this will be minus 2 by 3, because it will be positive, but before the vertical bar minus sign is there, hence the answer sign will be negative. Then this C number student, here these consecutive rational numbers are given, the sequence of rational number is given, and subtraction and addition simultaneously is asked to us. So here if 2 and more than 3 rational numbers are given to you, student, several ways are there. You can do by this, find out the LCM of all the denominators and convert all the rational numbers simultaneously into like form, and then apply the Bodemas rule over their numerators only. This process I have applied here, that is LCM of 8, 12 and 16 is 48. So I have converted all the denominators into 48. Here 8 6 are 48 and 5 6 are 30, equivalent of first, minus 30 by 48. Here 12 for the and 7 for the 28 by 48, 16 3 the and 11 3 the. So I have taken 48 at the one time common, and all the numerators operation as it is, minus 30 minus 28 plus 33. By the rule, first here to this rational number, two integers, here like integer operation addition, sign as it is. So here minus 58 plus 33 as it is. Now unlike integer, in addition actually we are performing subtraction and bigger number sign. So here bigger number is 58 and its sign is minus, so minus 25 by 48, like this student, the answer. Next D number, here 9 by 7 multiply by 21 by minus 18 plus 3 by 5 multiply by minus 2 by minus 3 minus in bracket minus 4 by 9. So student, first we will simplify, we will write it as it is, then we will apply the simplification. Here product of two rational number plus product of two rational number minus one rational number. So here we will simplify. Here 7 3s are 21 and here 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So here what remains, 3 1s are 3 and here 2 multiply by 1 because it is minus 2, so 3 by minus 2 plus here 3 will get cut, and here negative divided by negative, obviously it will become positive, so here positive 2 by 5 will remain, minus in bracket minus 4 by 9 as it is. So now same process we will apply of addition of three rational number or multiple operation over on three rational number. We can convert all the denominators simultaneously into like form and then apply the process. So here first we will write them in a simplest form. 3 by minus 2 will become minus 3 by 2 plus 2 by 5. Here we will remove it from the bracket, but before the bracket minus sign is there, so this minus will become plus, and additive inverse of minus 4 by 9, that is positive 4 by 9. Like this student we have to find. So now LCM of 2, 5 and 9 is 90. So we have converted all the denominators into 90 in this form, you will find. And then I have applied at the numerator this process, I have arranged it. Minus 135 plus 36 is equal to minus 99 plus 40 as it is, and then unlike integer operation subtraction, bigger number sign, minus 59 by 90, like this. Next student, I had share you some word problems and some odd questions that also we will discuss. Question number 6, each question was there for 3 marks. So first was there, divide the sum of minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 10 by the product of 11 by 14 and 7 by 22. Means we have to divide this sum, these two rational numbers addition we have to divide by the multiplication of two rational number. So first addition of these two rational number will be divided by the multiplication of this two rational number. It is mentioned in your question. So now we will perform the addition of it in a bracket first. So here LCM of 5 and 10 is 10, and the numerator will become like this, minus 4 plus 3 and divided by the product of it. And product, when we are multiplying this, we can simplify. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 2 2s are 4. That will become so here that will become 1 by 4. Here it should be 1 by 4. That is student, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 simplified form. So at the numerator it will be 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4, and it will be 1 by 4. So now here an addition will be minus 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 4. So division of two rational number, first rational number as it is minus 1 by 10, division becomes multiplication, and 1 by 4's reciprocal 4 by 1, then that is minus 4 by 10, and simplified form of will be minus 2 by 5, like this student. Next question is there, 8 rational numbers between x and absolute value of x, and x is given us, that is minus 5 by 11. So now student, x is equal to minus 5 by 11 already, and absolute value of x, it means absolute value of minus 5 by 11 will be 5 by 11. And now we receive these two rational numbers, minus 5 by 11 and positive 5 by 11. And now the 8 rational number in between them. Here we can say negative is smaller than the positive. So 8 rational numbers we can show in between it. Minus 4 by 11, minus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 1 by 11, 0 by 11, positive 1 by 11, positive 2 by 11, positive 3 by 11, like this 8 rational numbers. See student, next question. The area of a rectangle, third word problem was given. The area of a rectangle is 191 and 1 by 6 meter square. The length of a rectangle is 15 and 1 by 2 meter. And then it is asked to us what is the breadth. So then area of a rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. So area, I have substituted the area here, 191 by and 1 by 6 is equal to length multiplied by breadth. I converted into improper. 1147 upon 6 is equal to 31 by 2 multiplied by breadth. So now we will transfer this term into the RHS. So 2 is here at the denominator, it will go at the numerator, and 31 at the numerator, it will go at the denominator. So here it will be like this. So 1147 multiplied by 2 upon 6 multiplied by 31. Simplification will give us answer 37 by 3, and you can convert it into mix also, and hence the breadth of the rectangle is 37 by 3 meter square. Like this student, it is an explanation of yesterday's class test. You please verify your answers, cross check. Any queries, any problem is there, you can ask to me, you can directly contact with me. Thank you student, and have a good day.